Hi, we're gonna be rating EAS alarms with Dylan Animations here.
What is up, YouTube? We're gonna be rating EAS alarms with Red Vibes. Red Vibes, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so first up is
We got the Greek EAS alarm. That's
legit.
like
It sounds like a factory is about to blow, or like it's like an emergency meeting, and like it's a zombie outbreak. I'm gonna give that like 3 out of 10. It's
I
like
give it a 5 out of 10. All right, what's
all right.
next?
Next up, the French EAS alarm, the French one.
Wait.
Bro,
It's literally just like curse words. I give it
it's just cussing on like a reality show. It's like
I give it a 1.
2 out of 10. 2 out of 10. Okay, U.S. alarm. Bro, this is just nostalgia. It's like it's just nostalgia. It's like
It's actually kind of scary once you hear it a bunch of times. I give it a 6.
yeah, same. 6 out of 10. Okay.
Italian EAS alarm.
It sounds like a trap.
I give this a 2 out of 10. This is literally a
It sounds like it's like a trappy. It's like 4 out of 10.
Yeah.
All right, Taiwan now.
Okay.
Bro, it literally just sounds like the Greek. It literally just,
Bro,
I'm
they
gonna
probably
give it like
use
a 1 out of 10.
They probably use the basketball scoreboard as the EAS alarm, so I'm gonna give it a 1.
Yeah, it's so unoriginal. It's literally the Greek one. Okay.
Australian.
No, sure, Australian. It's literally the same as Greece. Okay, negative 1 out of 10.
I give this a 5 out of 10. It's just kind of creepy. All right, Spain.
If you shop on Amazon, you should use this tool.
No.
It's a browser extension that
No, thank you. That's just boring in general.
It's just like a fax machine.
This is just
1 out of 10.
This is just boring in general. 3 out of 10.
1 out of 10. South Korea.
Oh God.
My computer's having
A fatal error. Fatal error. 4 out of 10.
Okay, 3 out of 10. All right, Philippines. Oh, that's loud. Okay, that is loud.
I don't know.
Attention.
I don't
5 out of
think
10.
I don't think this is real, but whatever. I'll give it an 8.
5 out of 10. All right, UK.
Bruh.
Bro, it's literally the same as the American EAS alarm.
I give this a 3.
3 out of 10. Okay, Norway. Bro, there's a little like train.
This is literally It sounds like hell, so I'm gonna give it a 8 out of 10.
Sounds like a train.
It does. All right,
okay.
Germany.
Okay, hold on. Germany. Bro, it sounds like
Sounds like a boss fight.
It sounds like a Daft Punk song. 8 out of 10. It sounds cool.
I give it a 2. That's actually it's actually pretty creepy. 7 out of 10.
It sounds like the US.
I can just imagine this being heard in the middle of the night.
All right, Czechoslovakia. My computer's still having a malfunction.
I give it a 5 out of 10. This is literally just I don't know.
4 out of 10.
I don't know at this point. All right.
Bulgaria.
Okay.
That is loud. Okay, no, I do not like that. That's a loud air horn. That's like negative 1 out of 10.
That's literally an ambulance, so I'm gonna give it a 8 out of 10 out of scariness.
All right, Chile. What's with all the ambiance?
I don't like that.
What's with ambiance?
I think-
why the ambience?
Maybe
the Minecraft
because this was like recorded on a iPhone or something. I give it a 6 out of 10.
I'll give it like a 4. Okay, Lithuania. Bro, Siren Head.
Siren Head. It's kind of like
Siren
Siren
Head?
Head, so it's kind of like 4 out of 10. I guess.
4. All right, is Israel.
Israel.
Well, that's creepy AF. Like, if
Bro,
I
that
heard
sounds
that
like,
in my,
it sounds like a
if I heard
UFO. It sounds like a UFO is like swooping over the sky. So I'm just gonna give it a 9 out of 10. That's the first.
that's creepy. That's creepy
Really
AF. 11 out of
creepy.
10.
I can already imagine that.
If I heard that in my neighborhood, I'd be creeped the frick out.
Yeah, same. All right.
New Zealand.
Yeah, New Zealand. Oh,
It literally sounds like what is it? Greases. So like
it's like wow,
Maybe
wow,
it's
wow,
three.
wow, wow. It's like saying wow a bunch of times, so I'm just gonna give it a 3
it's
out
like
of
that
10.
it's like that Tix and Roses account. Wow.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a 3.
Okay, Denmark. Siren Head? Is that Siren Head?
What's that voice I hear in the background? You must. I don't know what they're saying. I'm just gonna give it.
Okay, that's also kind of creepy. That's
Yeah,
like a
I'm
7
gonna
out
give
of 10.
it a 7 out of 10.
All right, Iraq.
Let's see.
It's literally the same as the Danish one, but
It's-
even more creepier.
it
It's
sounds
like
like-
9 out of 10.
It sounds like Israel, so 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Okay.
Egypt.
Kosovar.
Oh. Why are all these just the same?
They all sound like Israel. Like they all sound like Israel.
This gets 7 out of 10.
Okay.
Botswana.
Swiss.
Oh,
Switzerland.
okay.
Why do you like
Why?
Siren Head? Siren
does
Head,
it
but
sound like
more
Siren
creepy.
Head?
Like
8
8 out of 10.
I give it a 7.
All right, Ukraine. Bro, why? Like these are like just Siren Head, but 10 times more creepier.
Yeah, I'm gonna give this a 6 out of 10.
No, 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. All right, Ireland. Bro, it literally sounds like the car when you start it, or like you don't fasten your seatbelt.
Yeah, I give it a 3.
Yeah, that's like a 3. Okay, what haven't we done? All right, Indonesia. That hurts my ears.
Why is it just beeping? I give it a 1.
It's like a 1. Okay, what else have we not done? Malaysia.
Oh god!
Bro, that's like Siren Head. And all of these like mainly Siren Head.
I give that an 8 out of 10 because it nearly jump scared me.
It's around like a 7 out of 10. All right, China. Why does the intercom sound? I hear like voices. It sounds like an intercom.
Well, because
like like
there's
an
like I think there's like different sirens like in different areas, and that's why it's like echoey and stuff.
No, I hear like the voice in the background. It like it sounds like a like those the airport like intercom.
Yeah. Oh wait, this one has a voice which is much more creepy. I give this an 7.
It's pretty average, so I'm gonna give it a 4. All right, last one, India.
3, 2, 1. Oh
Ow. 1. That's a 1.
god, that's a 2 out of 10 because you nearly jump scared me, and it doesn't even sound like an EAS alarm at all.
Okay, that's it.
Bye.